If you want to use Add Me in Camera on the Google Pixel 10a, it is pretty straightforward. If you open the camera app and if you have these different camera modes, then you should be able to find Add Me. Now, first you should take a photo of the group. Let's say you are the photographer for the first photo. So first the photographer takes the photo of the whole group, and the group is supposed to leave an empty space for you. And once you take the photo, everyone that were on that picture, they should be removed from that scene, so then someone can take a photo of you in that empty space. So this is how it looks like. So first we take, of course, the picture of the group. There we go. Then everyone should leave the scene and someone should take a photo of you in that empty space that was left for you. And then the phone or the camera app will combine these two pictures together, and that's how you use Add Me on Google Pixel 10a. You can also use this question mark here in the upper right corner in order to go back to these instructions. You can also tap on more info over here if needed. So if you forgot about something, if you are not sure, then you can check out this info. And the phone should also guide you to capture a good photo with this Add Me mode. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.